welcome back to my channel. This is As a Graphics. In case you just joined me for the first time, I want you to hit the subscribe button, so you and also hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I post new videos on YouTube. Okay, let's just go straight to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how you can change the cloth of your image in Pixellab, of your model. So the first thing I'll be doing is I've gotten into a particular size, this size, so I don't want to tamper with the size. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll come to eraser. No, okay, let's just go to the eraser. Then I'll zoom in by using my hand and zoom in. So I'll come zoom out. I'll just come here, increase the feather a bit. Then I'll just erase the portion where I'm seeing this guy's face. So let me reduce the feather a bit, reduce the size. Okay, let me scale this one. So I'll reduce the size. All right. Okay, now I have this here, so I'll just scaling it back. So I'm going to the hand, very important. So I'll just bring in back my eraser. Okay, okay, now I'll click on this eyedropper, then position it here. Okay, I'll just scale it, erase. Okay, now I'll just make do of this one. All right, so I will now copy it. Okay, then all right, so I'll come here and come to eraser automatically. So this one has given me back my model, so I can easily hide my model. Yeah, get this one, copy my model, position it at the center. Okay, so for this one, position it at the center. This one, position it at the center. Okay, but for this one, I'm going to turn my model to this way. Now the other one, the one at the back, and there is one at the back. So let me just delete this ones. There's one at the back. I'll copy that one, hide it, then I'll just come to eraser, then long click on undo. So this is it. You see the color, the cloth has changed, so I can just come here and this one, I'll just merge this one. Okay, now I can keep this one somewhere around. Then also bring this guy here, bring this one here, the one without the head. So I'll just come here and let me first just hide this one. Come here and position it here. Okay, now this is, so this one here, the one at the one without claw out, let me copy it one more time and hide. So I'll just come here and also change the color. Let me use this one. So I'll come here and let me also copy this one. So I'll just merge the two of them. So we have these two. Then we have, let me hide this. So we should get another one with the head. So okay, let's just get another one. Let's copy this, hide. So this other one, so I'll come to this guy here. I will just move it this way. Let's see. I'll come to color. Let's see if I tamper with this guy. Alright, let me leave it at this one here. Now look at, okay, I'm not having anyone with this particular color, so I'll just this guy and hide it. Then this one, okay, so okay, let me copy it, hide it, come here and okay, eraser, long press, and I'll click on this. So I'll come here and come here. Okay, I'll just this one and this one, then I'll just merge them. Alright, so we are done with our designs. So let me just bring them in. This one, which is the original one, and this one. So this is seen. Let me scale them down. Let me scale the image down, so you can see I've succeeded in creating okay, let me just make them 3. Okay, let's just make them 4 and square them. Okay, so this is what we just did. I've succeeded in changing the clothes of this man in Pixellab. Alright, so that's all for this particular tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video.